what's going on, everybody? Welcome once again to N-Line TV. I'm your host, Nelson Arevalo Jr., and I'm super excited to be here with you guys today. Today, guys, I have the review and unboxing of the Nike SB Dunk, the high top. It is the colorway, the Sweet Tooth Candy Corn colorway, and I'm super excited to review with you guys today. But before we begin, I do have to say, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I would really appreciate the support. Give me a like, give me a thumbs up. Anything helps. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not new and you're always showing that love, thank you once again. I love y'all, and you guys already know the vibes. And before we begin, I do have to say that this video is sponsored by N-Line, baby. Go check me out on Instagram at NLimeNYC. Check out my brand, guys. I would really appreciate it. And if you want to cop some merch, I just dropped some Halloween merch. Super excited about it. Go to my website, NLimeNYC.com. Thank you, guys. Really appreciate it. Now, without further ado, let's get right into the review. And boom, here we have the box, a purple Nike SB box. Wow, so nostalgic. Only had very few Nike SB boxes in my life, hence Nike SB shoes. They're very difficult to get, in my opinion. I don't know, it's just hard, but boom, right off the bat, yeah, we got the purple box. So this is called the Nike SB Dunk High Pro, and the colors is Amarillo, orange, white, and black. Interesting. And then in French, Amarillo, Blanc, Noir, and Orange. So these are a size 11. I'm usually a 10.5. I don't know why I got an 11. I think they just fit tight on me, so I guess I just wanted to try a next size up. And by the way, guys, I won these on exclusive access on the sneakers app. First time in my life ever getting, or maybe I've had it and I've just never known. But the way this happened, it was just weird. Like, the post came up and then you had to like scratch it or whatever. But boom, here is the shoe. Here is the sneaker. Wow, wow, wow. Matches, kind of blends with my shirt. That's fire. Right off the bat, first time I seen them in like pictures, I was just like not feeling them, cause I just wasn't feeling them. But like now, like seeing them in person, like I think I changed my mind. Even though I see a huge flaw like right here, like factory flaw right there. So we'll see about that. Yeah, guys. Right off the back, I thought these were leather, but this is actually like a nubuck material. But it feels very like waxy, if that makes sense. Like a very like, you know what? I'm kind of scared to hold these and get them dirty. So since we're in the spooky season, happy Halloween to you guys. I'm gonna just put some gloves on. Y'all feel me? Y'all feel me? Oh. Alright, guys, sorry. No, let me be a cut. But yeah, right off the bat, this is like a gradient shoe, right? We have the yellow, the dark yellow, orange to white. If you guys are not familiar with what a gradient is, maybe you might know the name of a ombre. Gradient is more of a graphic design term, but if you know, you know. A gradient or ombre is basically when you have two colors, and right when they meet in the middle, essentially they blend and they fade perfectly. Which is I don't know, I really think this, man. Like, it's inspired by the candy corn, orange laces, some cool detail that we have in the front of the mudguard. Only on the right shoe, by the way. We have like a teeth mark imprinted. I wish they did it on both sides, but Nike be doing that. Something very interesting too. I usually start with the bottom, but let's talk about the bottom. The bottom is all black. The center is orange. Midsole is white. stitching in the midsole is orange. What's really cool is in the gradient of the shoes, you see the stitching change from yellow stitching to orange stitching to white stitching. It's really cool how they did that. Another interesting detail is that Nike swoosh. You could barely see that Nike swoosh, and the way they made it pop is with that. They have like a suede under it, like a mustard yellow suede. And I'm assuming you could probably just cut off the orange and, like customize it yourself. These do come with extra pair of laces. They give you another pair of orange laces, black laces, white laces. But the difference between these two laces is that the ones that are on the shoe, the tips are yellow, and these tips are orange, which they're like basic laces. Yeah, and these are like yellow tips. The white ones yellow tips, and the black ones orange tips. So it's pretty cool how they color coordinated. On the lateral part of the shoe, let me open this up for you guys. On the lateral part of the shoe, there's a very cool detail of where it says, hold on. So I opened it up. Let me do a better job about it. My bad. But boom, inside of the lateral part of the wing of the shoe, you have this warning, and the warning says, "Do not take candy from strangers." Pretty cool detail right there. Boom, reminds me of like the Ghostbusters. Cool detail there. Also another cool detail, on the tongue we have the Nike SB logo, but where the eye is, it's like an evil candy corn character, and that's so cool. Like I really dig like the simple details like that. And then on the inside of the tongue, you got another detail where it's a tooth with like a candy corn, and that's fire. These are made in Vietnam. Again, warning, do not take candy from strangers. And on the other shoe is the exact same thing. On the inside, so on the inside of the shoe, we do have that printed, I don't know if it's DTG or sublimation. It's probably sublimation or DTG. And yeah, then we see that zoom, or whatever you want to call it, this little pocket right here. This is not a Thylon midsole. No, it's not. But Nike SBs are known to be comfortable, so I'm pretty sure this is a comfortable shoe. But I'm not sure. I'll let you guys know once I throw it on. I don't know, like I kind of feel like keeping these just because like I'm very into Halloween and stuff. And I haven't even really looked at you guys. I've just been looking at these shoes. Like, I'm trying to find any more details to see if I can tell you guys. I pretty much think I covered it all. Let me know what you guys think about this shoe. I think it's a super underrated shoe. I don't really think a lot of people went for it, or I don't know if people knew about it, but it was just like the middle of the day. And it was like a scratch off kind of thing, and I'm just happy I got it. But again, I think I'm a 10.5, and I'm gonna try these on. These are 11, so let's see how this goes. I'm kind of tight about that. What's that? Anyways, guys, let me know what you guys think of the review of this shoe. Let me know in the comments. Thank you guys for stopping by. I really appreciate the support. Follow me on Instagram at LMNYC. If you want to cop some merch, I can get this out the way. Go to my website, LMNYC.com. Thank you so much for watching. Until the next one, deuces.